So suppose we are dealt 5 cards from a standard deck. Standard deck has 52 cards. And what is the probability of getting 3 of a kind? And here I've just written an example of 3 of a kind. It could be, for example, 3 aces and 2 other cards, any other cards. It cannot be an ace. So that would be a 3 of a kind. So for example, if I get a 2, 2, 2 of different types, like let's say hearts, diamonds, and spades, and then any other cards like a king of hearts and 7 of clubs. Okay, so that would be a 3 of a kind. That's what we mean by 3 of a kind. So this could be any denomination. It could be an ace, it could be a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. So there's a total of 13 different types of denominations that could make the 3 of a kind. Okay, so it could be any one of the 13 possibilities that I've listed here. So we first do 13, choose 1. Okay, once that is done, so we've picked one of these 13. Now it could be any one of the 13, but no matter what it is, there will be 4 possibilities. There'll be, for example, ace of diamonds, ace of hearts, ace of spades, and ace of clubs, right? Or it could be 2 of diamonds, 2 of hearts, 2 of clubs, and 2 of spades, right? If you pick any one of them, there'll be 4 possibilities, out of which we need to choose 3. Okay, so out of the 4, from 4, we have to choose 3 to make the 3 of a kind. It could be any 3 of these 4 possibilities. So then we are choosing from 4, we choose 3. So what did we first do? We picked one of the 13 possibilities for the repetition of 3 of a kind. And then from that possibility, no matter which possibility it is, we have 4 choices. It could be any one of these, but we'd have 4 of diamonds, for example, 4 of hearts, 4 of spades, 4 of clubs, or it could be 9 of diamonds, 9 of hearts, 9 of spades, 9 of clubs. So we choose 3 only out of that to make a 3 of a kind. And now we need 2 other cards, right? It cannot be the one that we picked. Okay, so out of the 52 cards, now we have to get rid of the 4 cards, right? It cannot be, even though we picked 3 of these, it cannot be the 4th one. So that would not be 3 of a kind, that would become a 4 of a kind, right? So we need to make sure we have exactly 3. So therefore we eliminate 4 cards from the deck, and then from that we choose 2. So that's how we get 2 other cards. Okay, so we have 13 choose 1, and so that's multiplication, 4 choose 3, and 48 choose, from 48 we choose 2 to get the other 2 cards. So this first 2 numbers are for picking the 3 of the kind. Okay, now these are the different possibilities in which we can get 3 of a kind. What's the probability of getting a 3 of a kind? Probability is a ratio. We divide by the total number of hands possible, right? Out of 52, we choose a 5-card hand. These are the total number of possibilities, out of which this will be the number that will contain the 3 of the kind. Okay, so just enter these numbers into your calculator, and that will give you the probability of picking 3 of a kind. Now your problem set problem will be very similar. to this, except that instead of 3 of a kind, I think it's 2 of a kind. So do follow the exact same process.